Funny bird. Very
Can you go
colourful.
and ask the lady what she's doing?
Where's the lady?
Down there with the wheelbarrow. They're not stopping, are they? But look, they're all sharing.
Mom, I mean Daddy.
Yes? Oh dear.
No, that way, because it has that sign over there.
Daisy. That's the Audlin sound. I don't think it's going anywhere. It says it's
Alrighty.
sitting.
I'm like, what? I did count 4. Halfway point to towards.
Olive green tree. Olive green bird.
Oh.
Yep, that's what we're going to do. That's the way we had the picture last time. Are you exhausted too, Mia?
You betcha.
There we go.
Okay, you get to plug me in.
It's just,
Survive for about 1 minute.
yeah, until you get up and you go, actually, I've got a very wet.
Kevin, Johnny, come over. Yeah, this one. There. And we're going to have. There. There you go. Alrighty. Emily, Mia.
Two of those got me. They just
So you can see any airplanes in
pick me up. Daddy can pick me up.
Because you just take tape and a cookie. You went to.
Yeah, pretty much, like November last year.
No,
Your legs fell off.
No, we'll go that way. Because this one goes to the eel.
Oh!
they can get in front of me.
I'm trying! Yes.
Eel,
Yep.
Daddy's being silly.
can you buy me it
Yeah.
for my feet? I don't think we're going to turn people.
Well, keep coming, please. Come on.
Only these two.
Look
Why?
at that one.
Today anyway.
Coming, you won't know whether it's gone out. There's ice on it. You better get down and sort that out.
Not feeling well, Mia. Okay. Yeah, Mia.
Is the dust here?
No, don't.